To begin, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. On the sign-in screen, tap Forgot Password. Now, enter the email address or phone number associated with your LinkedIn account. Then tap Next. A 6-digit code will be sent to your chosen email or phone number. Enter the code in the field provided. Then, tap Submit. If two-step verification is enabled, you will receive another 6-digit code on your phone. Enter the code in the field provided. Then, tap Submit. Now, enter a new password for your account. Then, retype your new password to confirm. If you want all devices to require the new password for sign-in, keep the box checked. Then tap Submit. Now, enter your email or phone number along with your new password to sign in. You will then be signed into your account, and redirected to your LinkedIn homepage. So that's how you can reset your LinkedIn password directly from your mobile device.